Okay, representing a finite arithmetic series. The first term of the series is 12, and each term is 7 less than the previous term. If the information above to represent a sequence, write the first 5 terms of the sequence. Now, a sequence is where they're separated by a comma. So that would be 12, comma, and then 12 minus 7, it would decrease by 7. That's what it said. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then you'd take 7 away from that, negative 2. Take 7 away from that, negative 9. Take 7 away from that, and that's going to be negative 16. There's your, that's not a 16, negative 16. That's a 16. Those are the first 5 terms of the sequence. If that actually represented a series, write the numbers numerically. That is, what would those numbers be if we added them together? 12 plus 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 9 plus negative 16. And as long as we're standing here, let's get that on there. 12 plus 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 9 plus negative 16. Negative 10 is what that would be. Now, if that had 15 terms, let's represent it algebraically. So that is the sum of I equals 1 up to 15. And the rule for that would be, let's see here. So A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n times, plus d times n minus 1. Which is to say, for this one, A sub n equals, the first term is 12 plus the common difference is negative 7 times n minus 1. Now we're going to distribute those in. A sub n equals 12 minus 7n plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19 minus 7n. Now the only difference here is we want to replace that with an I, and I'm going to put it like this. Negative 7i plus 19. That's how I would do that. Finally, find the sum of the series. So that's going to be, let's see here. So that's going to be the number of terms, 15, times the first term. So that would be 12. We already figured out the first term was 12. Plus the last term, which negative 7 times 15 plus 19 is negative 86. Take the mean of those two and multiply it by 15. Now, negative 86 plus 12 is negative 74, which when you divide it by 2 is negative 37. So it's 15 times negative 37, which means the sum is negative 555. So if it's a phone number, you know it's phony. Bam. Let's represent the first 5 sums of the series graphically. So this gets negative pretty quick. So the highest it ever gets is 12. I don't care for this at all. Let's see here. I'm going to go like this. Go 4 from the top, and we're going to just do this first one here. And these are not going to count as 1. Each one of these squares, we're going to count it as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again, Mr. P. Let me zoom in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess every square should count as 5. 4, 5, 5, 2, 3, 5. And down here, we're going to get 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And you know, we're just going to count each of these as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it only told us to go up to 5, but what are you going to do? I had the extra space. So the first 5 sums of the series are going to go like this. Well, it was 12, and so we're going to go 1 and 12. 1 and 5, 10, 11, 12. Right there. The next term would be 12 plus 12 minus 7, which was 5. 12 plus 5. And 12 plus 5 is 17. So 2 and 17. 10, 17. Okay. Now the third term would just be that, really the previous term, 17, plus 5 minus 7 is negative 2. 17 plus negative 2, which is 15. So 3 and 15. Next term would be 15 plus, well, negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. The fourth term is 6. And finally, we would take that term and add negative 9 minus 7 is negative 16, which is negative 10. So the fifth term is negative 10. 5, 10, right here. You know, I'll bet I could fit the next one. Ooh, maybe I can't. Negative 16 plus, and negative 16 minus 7 is negative 23, plus negative 16 is negative 39, which is going to take us to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Nope, not even close. So something like this. What a curious looking shape, huh? Anyway, that's all I got for you on our arithmetic sequences and series. If you have any questions, please send a message to your instructor. This is Mr. P signing off. Hey, if you find a small moon that looks like it might fit on a clock, please send it to Granite School District, care of Mr. P, and they will get it back to me. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Have a great rest of your day.